Save you money when you can retire early, kid.
Oh, fuck.
You okay?
Oh my god, a semi just tipped right beside me. Oh my god, I gotta go. I gotta call 911. Call 911.
God, I'm still counting my blessings. All that you've done in my life. The more that I look in the deep.
Build a sort of planet-sized Tesla coil, right? And they would use the Earth as this giant kind of resonant cavity.
Yeah.
And then anyone would be able to just stick an antenna in the ground and then pull electricity kind of for free.
Out of the ground.
Yeah, and then Morgan found out about this, JP Morgan found out about this, and he was like, actually, I'm making quite a lot of money from metered utilities at the moment, so I'm going to go with no. So he shut off the funding.
But would it have worked?
So, no. Probably not. There's like all kinds of slight problems about how far this thing, the kind of the level of power that you need to put into it.
This could be true, could it? Andrew was making shit up. He was a drunk, maybe even a murderer. How do you know this? Billy asked, stepping in. She didn't tell Elaine herself. No. Did she have a wife? Billy asked. Andrew nodded.
Oh shit.
Grande, Bruno Mars, Anderson .Paak as Silk Sonic, Doja Cat, Dan and Shay, and more. Plus, a very special presentation of the iHeartRadio Icon Award to Elton John. Celebrate all of the incredible artists and music of holy shit here Thursday, May 27th, live.
Shit!